friends! Welcome back to Creative Kids Art, the fun zone where we draw cool and colorful things every day. Today, we're going to draw something that flies high in the sky on a windy day. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a kite. Let's draw a bright and beautiful kite together, step by step. Grab your pencil and let's go. Step 1. Start by drawing a diamond shape in the middle of your paper. This will be the main body of our kite. Step 2. Now, draw a straight line down the middle, from top to bottom. Then draw another line across the middle, from side to side. These lines make the kite look real. Step 3. Let's add a long string. Draw a curved line coming down from the bottom point of the kite. Great job drawing your kite. Now let's color it. You can use red, blue, green, or even a rainbow pattern. Awesome work! Your kite looks ready to fly high in the sky. You're getting better and better at drawing. I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed drawing with me, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button.